Welcome to In-Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a hot chocolate pudding cake. Soft chocolate cake soaked with rich warm chocolate pudding. Moist, indulgent, perfect for dessert lovers. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 eggs and beat for 1 minute. Beat eggs well for a soft cake base. Add half cup sugar gradually. Beat until fully dissolved. Add 1/4 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Now take 3/4 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve together. Now mix gently. Add 1/4 cup milk and mix to form a smooth batter. Grease oil in a 6-inch glass mold. And pour the batter. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Now cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Now prepare the pudding. In a pan, add 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix well and let it boil. Stir pudding constantly to avoid lumps. Add 2 tablespoons dark chocolate, half teaspoon instant coffee powder. Coffee enhances chocolate flavor naturally. Cook until the pudding thickens. Now prick the cake with a fork. Fork holes help soak evenly. Prick cake while it's warm for better soaking. And pour the hot chocolate pudding on top. Pudding cakes absorb sauce for extra moisture. Cool in the fridge for 1 hour. Chilled pudding cakes taste richer. Homemade dessert avoid preservatives. Controlled sugar keeps balance. Milk adds calcium and protein. Best enjoyed in moderation. Your hot chocolate pudding cake is moist, rich, and deeply chocolatey. Serve it chilled for the best experience. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback. Follow In-Oven Cake and Cookies for more indulgent dessert recipes.